super early, not that early, but around 10 something, and I'm going for a shoot. So this is a vlog about that. So stay tuned. I'm just basically just gonna be wearing my net, my own, my forever bestie. So I'm gonna be wearing my hair now. Make sure you secure that thing at the back, as in you got to secure, just so it don't go disgracing you about in public. I'm just gonna be arranging my hair properly. Make sure that corner, guys, that corner you see, make sure everything is arranged properly, because as soon as I put it like this, I just spray my glue on top, as you guys can see. So yeah, you try to fix it properly. It even makes it simple for everything to just come into place. And guys, I'm gonna be applying the glue. During the process of applying the glue, while the glue is getting dry, I'm gonna be using my fingers to just put that lace into my skin, because at the end of the day, we always want that lace to look flawless. 101 flawless, you feel me? Exactly. So we got to get patient, zoo someone to be creative. So I'm just gonna be using my dryer and drying that shit out. And guys, the corner, I make sure I use it double time, because literally, is it only me, but I always feel like when you apply once, like the glue doesn't fix properly. So I try as much as possible to apply as much glue as I can there for the glue to hold. And guys, be patient with the corner of your hair. That place is very fragile. It takes a while to dry, so be patient. I literally left it on there for it to dry before I can fix it again. Damn, honey, why are you looking up cute like that with that wig? Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna be styling the wig to my preferred hairstyle, which is the middle. And guys, let me just say, see how slick that looks? I haven't even straightened it. And guys, I'm so sorry I didn't do the straightening in this video, but I promise you guys I'm gonna come up with a video where I show you guys details on how I do my wigs and how I straighten them. So I am done with my hair. I'm just gonna be putting my makeup on now, and we're good to go. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna fast forward this entire process, because if you've been a subscriber here, you already know the vibes. You feel me? It's just same old routines. I haven't changed anything yet. If I do, I'll surely alert you guys on that. So without further ado, we're just gonna rush this into that process, you feel me? Anyway, let me just take the time to welcome all the new subbies here. You guys are welcome to the gang. Oh, and please, I beg you, do not forget to moisturize your lips, huh? Don't go about talking people business with your dried lips, please. And mind your business, daily reminder. Anyway, I'm just gonna be applying concealer now underneath my eyes, you feel me? And for today's makeup look, I'm not really doing too much, just neutral colors on the upper eyelid and just purple and pink on the lower lid. So yep. And if you guys can notice, I've already applied some white liner in my waterline, whatever that is. I don't know what they call it, but I'm sure it's the waterline, in the inner waterline, whatever that is. Guys, I beg, I didn't go to school for this. Okay, so I applied white liner in my eyes. I gotta look cute, because going to take a photo, you feel me? Professional one, so that eyes gotta pop. Yes. I'm gonna be doing my eyeliner now, and just same old, guys. And guys, finally, cat eyes activated. Yes guys, I'm done with my liner and I'm just gonna be applying my eyelash glue now. Leave that to sit for a while I do other things and come back to it. If you've been a subscriber here, you already know that is my concealer. I mean, 2020, who doesn't know that is concealer that's supposed to be applied on your forehead? Let me not say this in a harsh way. Guys, this is 2020. If you do not know this, big ups to you. Natural, out there. Big ups to you, man. If you're not influenced by makeup right now in this day and age, big ups to you. You're good to go. But I am sure if you're definitely a subscriber here, you already know that was my concealer. And I applied my foundation on my contouring area. Went offline to do my lashes and blended everything because you guys have seen me blend it a lot of times, sha. And your girl is definitely not looking forward to bore you guys out. So, we got to hurry up. Yeah. Okay guys, that's the final look of this whole makeup thingy, and I actually ended up feeling this makeup than I should be because it was damn too cute. Adding the final touch of the magic. Okay guys, using my highlighter now. So guys, I went offline to do my hair because I was in a hurry to go to the location. Obviously, as always, I was late. I am not proud of it. Guys, those are the dresses I'm gonna be wearing, and I ended up wearing two, but you guys are only gonna see one. Ooh, that's your little baddie, shorty, your little pootie. Is that the right thing? Okay, I don't know if that's right, but anyway, so you guys are only gonna see one picture because the photographer is not done or didn't finish doing the other shoots, which is for another video for him on his YouTube channel. My god, I really hope you guys understood that. If you don't, that's your loss. Anyway, I reserved this one for you guys, and maybe if I get the other photos, I might show you guys as well, but for now I do not have it, so you guys are only gonna see this one. And guys, that's our photographer, as you guys can see, performing that magic, and that's moi, everyday non-average village petite girl. Guys, I beg you, please, let's ignore the clip at the back, and that's a DIY for you guys. Yes, when the things are big, you got to make it small. And guys, that's your everyday happy girl. This is the second.
Turn that off, and then I'll show you what the sugar box is doing.
This is the second outfit, and basically this is where the magic happens. This small tiny places where all the magic amazing photos come out from. And guys, this part, guys, air freshener on my face. Your girl almost went AWOL, but lucky for us, your girl survived it. Yes, I survived it. Go on, twerk. Oh, you didn't twerk. Oh, go on, show them that small gift mama gave you. And guys, that's your girl performing her own magic behind the camera. And there's always just something about being in control of the camera that gives me this happy feeling, like it's so exciting. I don't know, maybe it's the attention I'm attracted to, but I love it behind the camera. I just love it.
Are we done?
Yeah, next time.
We have done today, guys!
And I was given the honor to finish the video, and the dropout village girl in me kept blopping.
That is it for this video. We hope you had an amazing time. Comment what you like about all the poses in the video. We hope this video was useful to you. And oh, by the way, I repeat, don't forget to hit that bell button, or hit it, make you be receiving more videos, more amazing videos, good content. And comment what you like about the post, of course. See you guys in another video very soon. Do not give up, guys. Do not give up. Just continue the hustle. Do not give up.
Yeah, peace out.
Yes.
Anyway, let me stop all this. I'll show you guys the magic we do.
I'm ashamed. That's how I like it.
Damn. Oh, crap. hold on, girl, is that you? Guys, we did perform hella magic over here.
Hey Red Gang, that is it for this video. I hope you guys had an amazing time. I surely did. That is it for this video. It wasn't a long video, guys. See you guys in another video very soon. I love you all. Bye.